Just a guy with a winch, a plow, and way too much time on his hands. No! Oh! It's fucking mount. Thanks, Five Below. I cannot believe how much dirt that's moving. Can you believe, driver, how much that's moving? No, I can't believe either. It's like a rave in here. Whoa! Spinning, you son of a bitch. Yeah! So I had the idea to build my own bulldozer so we wouldn't have to use shovels to build the jumps for our RC track. You can see here that I'm testing it, and it seems to work okay, but it needs a little bit of a tweak. Oh! Oh! And this phone was 2 days away from retirement. This isn't good. It's fucking mount. Thanks, Five Below. Jeez. Well, since my suction cup idea worked out so well, let's try this bad boy on for size. Oh God. Oh God. So I know what you're gonna say, so just go ahead and say it. It's not touching the ground. I know that, but me driving the car right there, I don't know that. So I figure out that this needs to be a two-man operation. Just a guy with a winch, a plow, and way too much time on his hands. So even though this first use of the plow did not go as well as I would have hoped, I figured out that it could work. I just needed somebody outside of the car to tell me if I was moving dirt in the right direction and the right amount, and to operate the plow. You might be saying, Gary, you can't see anything. You don't see the road, you feel the road.
It's just dumb. I can't see a thing. You gotta feel the road. You gotta let it live inside you. Are you feeling anything now? I'm feeling a little bit.
Okay, here we go. Testing. Oh, it's digging too. Let's get some close-up action. It's actually scraping. Dude. Okay. I think we're gonna have to go smaller distances.
Well, bring it up a little bit. Like... I felt the back of the truck go up.
Okay. No, I mean, once you fill up the plow, it just goes off the sides. So it's the thing that you were saying, like it would be nice to have a wider one, yeah.
Yeah, I can't.
Go left.
I cannot believe how much dirt that's moving. Can you believe, driver, how much that's moving? No, I can't believe either. Really can't. Get a glimpse of this again. Oh my gosh. There's so much dirt being moved. We are freaking geniuses. All right, here's Ryan's second try on my scooter. Hopefully he doesn't eat it like the first time. Hopefully he does. Because it was good because he didn't get hurt. You just demolished the jump.
Big rips.
Uh-huh.
Okay. That's gonna be a big old mound right there. Time we're done. Right about there. Good. Go ahead. Good. Good. Go ahead. Ah, I did it again. There's a lot of tension on that thing. Tell, because it's like on the ground.
No, dude, it snapped the fucking cable.
Millionaire lifestyle right here. Woo!
Hey, did you bring those extra banjo strings or what? So as you can see, there is a ton of soft dirt here. And that's what we're trying to use to build these jumps. So this plow, after we start working with it, we realize, yes, we could pull all this dirt from the surface and get it all into one spot or into a few spots and make our jumps with that. So throughout the day, we were able to kind of experiment and figure out what the best way to make this plow work for us and kind of have like our own little bulldozer to move dirt around. And it did really well. So as you'll see coming up here, we started getting the track area level. So that way the plow on its own would pull a substantial amount of dirt and we could just pull that into our jumps. So you'll see it flattens out pretty good, but it takes several passes and you have to be patient, or else, you know, it doesn't look like you're making very much progress. But as soon as you get it flat, that's when the plow really starts to move a lot of dirt all at one time. And then you can kind of move it exactly where you need it. But it has to all kind of be on a level playing field for you to be able to grab it and move it around. So what we would do is get ourselves in a good position and then start going back and forth over the dirt and pull it into a jump. So we would just make a mound of dirt and just keep adding to it and adding to it. So you'll see that we just keep grabbing big scoopfuls of dirt and it just kept getting bigger and bigger until eventually we had enough for a jump and we would just shape it.
Good. That was our best scoop yet, by far. Good. Go ahead. That was another really good one. It ain't dumb if it works, you know? This is pretty amazing to watch. You got a perfect line going to it. Beautiful. All right. Good. Go ahead. Perfect. Good.
Hold on. Extend-o-matic. Give it hell. Oh my, you know, you don't have to. Dude, you should see how much dirt is on here without me standing on it. We're gonna have to do another pull like that, but. Go, 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 go. Go, 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 stop. Oh my God, that's a lot of dirt. Good sir, that's a lot of dirt. It's like a rave. It's like a rave in here. So that's going to do it on this update video. Subscribe so you can see more of how we use the plow and get the track back in shape.